We have the pizza. What do you call this? Pizza circle. Yeah, that is already partial baked. So
Partial bake.
okay. So I'll let you put the, what's this?
Sauce.
Yeah, the sauce. Small. You put evenly, ne? First, small. We need spoon
It's messy.
so that we can spread the,
Smells already good.
so that we can equally spread the pizza sauce. Just slowly, evenly. Here too.
What about there?
Huh? Yeah, there. And then the side. Is that enough? More? Little bit more? Maybe that's enough.
Oh my
Slowly,
god.
just slowly. We don't want our pizza to be messy. Ronaldo only. What should we put next? Maybe the cheese.
Yeah.
Next is the cheese.
Spread it all up. Let's spread it.
Yeah. 面白いね。これやったら。
So good.
So good.
Let me try a lot. More good one.
Next is some like this.
Yeah, pepperoni.
Yeah.
It's not pepperoni actually, guys. Okay.
Okay, you spread it evenly, ne? To all the places.
Can I eat this one?
Sure.
So good. This is ham. It's not pepperoni anymore.
Next is this one. It's healthy. Oh.
Oh my god.
Then sausage. More sausage. Maybe that's enough. And then tomato. Just put tomato.
Tomato.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Then I'll put a little bit pineapple because you don't want pineapple. So
Okay.
we're going to put this in the toaster. About 7 to 10 minutes. Are you excited? Let's go.
Yeah.
Pretty. Stop it. Let's cook this.
Oh.
Oh. Dekimashita! Yatta! おー、美味しそうですね。食べたい？早く食べたい？はい、わかりました。いい匂いでしょ？すごいいい匂い。はい。はい、今から食べます。カットしますか？
はい。
コチョンコチョン。
I want the cheese and sauce, okay? だけ。
食べて。
これよ。
どう？美味しいね。うん。I put in the お皿ね。美味しい。 やった、ハイファイブ。イエ
So good.
Let's go there. Put in the osara ね。よし、いただきます。うまっ。So delicious. よかった。You need to try the pizza at home too. じゃあね。